let's start. Let me drive this for like 10 feet forward and back. So make sure kids at home, don't try this at home unless your father or mother, if you don't have a father, is there to supervise you. And before you start, you have to set it at the lowest speed, which on mine it says turtle. The highest is